Okay, this is the Prime Protein Powder. It's a vanilla flavored from Equip. They sent this to us so we could show it to you. And it's a grass-fed beef isolate powder, so it's not whey-based, which a lot of them are, but it's really good. It doesn't have any gluten or dairy or any of that kind of stuff in it. But you can see here that like one scoop is 100 calories and it has 3 grams of carbs and like 20 grams of protein there. And the ingredients you can see here. Let's see if I can. Grass-fed beef protein, some coconut cream powder. It's sweetened with stevia. Let's see what else it says. Organic natural flavors, and contains tree nuts because it has coconut in it and stuff. But yeah, I like it. It smells good. It's a vanilla. It smells really good just opening the package up here. But this is a scoop, and that's a lot for my coffee. I put some in my coffee, but that's a lot. So I don't put in a full scoop into my coffee because that's a lot. But what I like to do is put it in my coffee in the morning, and then I get some extra protein there. It's really nice, and it tastes really good too in my coffee. Of course, I like a nice sweet flavored coffee, like a vanilla flavored coffee. That'd be really good. So I'll show you here. Okay, and the teapot just boiled here, so we'll pour some of this in there. And I have my monk fruit and cinnamon and things like that in there too, so it's not too it's not just the protein powder in the coffee. And then I got my new little frother here. It didn't come with that stand, but they sent this to me so that I could show it to you, and I really like using it for my coffee and stuff because then I can mix up all the powder, aren't I? Usually I don't fill it that full, but I think I was distracted because I'm trying to do the camera, so. It does mix in there nicely, and it smells really good. I'll have to clean up the little mess there, but I'll give it a taste here and see how we like it. Yeah, it adds a nice little vanilla-y flavor to it and stuff. I usually like to add cream too, so I'll probably add some cream here in a little bit, but yeah, that's actually quite good. So yeah, vanilla flavored prime protein powder. How about that? Good stuff. Thanks for sending that.